The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a tornado warning for Outagamie County in northeastern Wisconsin until 9:30 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., a confirmed EF2 tornado was reported on the ground in Kaukauna, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Kaukauna around 8:45 p.m. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Monday for east central and northeastern Wisconsin, and the adjacent coastal waters of Lake Michigan. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Outagamie County, Wisconsin,